Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 74 of Building Your Own Time Machine in a Delorean. Who builds a time machine in a Delorean? Let's have a look and see. This is the final of the second door. We're finishing off the same way we finished off the first door, putting in the metal hinge plate and the hydraulic arm, the arm plate, and some screws. And nice and easy, exactly what we did before, but on the other side. I shall try and do it on camera, but it's lots of fiddly screw work with large body panels and things. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it will work, but if not, I'll show you it afterwards anyway. And that will be the second and final door fitted. There's only 2 doors on these cars. Fireworks and fancy footwork. Still back to the Future 3 in 1885. More information about the filming. Clint Eastwood, obviously, yes. Cowboy. Interesting. Borrows the name of the movie hero. And obviously they named the bridge, or it must have been the bridge, wasn't it? Yeah. So the roof centre is the next part we're going to be doing. The T-shaped piece that fills in the gap that we're going to have between the 2 doors. It should be a fairly easy place to fit. But we're not doing that yet. We're doing this bit. So the parts today, we have the metal hinge bracket piece, the piston, the other bit that holds half of that in place, some screws, and again the part that they don't bother mentioning, the little wedge piece that will hold the door open if you want it to. It's useful to have, but I have heard that it puts a lot of strain on the hinges, and the hinges are very tiny. I'm not overly impressed with the level of hinginess of these. I would have been happier if they were a little bit more substantial. So holding them wide open, not ideal. So this is going to go on there. Obviously, we've got the wire that needs to come out of the small groove there. The big grooves are for these clips. That needs to go over there a bit like that. That's going to go over that and into that like that. The wire is then free. That is in the right place. So I've got to hold it in the right place now while I open the screws and get the NM screws out, which are indeed these. So we've got 4 of these. Hold that together. There is 1 more left in that bag, so that's going to be spare for next time. I shall go with... We'll go with this screwdriver rather. See how that's going to work. I'm pretty sure that this is all going to be in the right place now. That screwdriver is not ideal. I think the tip is worn just a little bit. So instead of going down to the smaller one, we shall try. Feels like it should be a good fit. My electric one, I don't think. No, that's not going to work ideally anyway. Let's go down to the smaller one and see. It fits into the screw nicely. So that should be okay, I think. Get that in there. That one in there. Get them all in before you tighten them down, just to make sure everything lines up as it should. Make sure especially that your wire is not getting trapped underneath it on that side. Hold itself in place now with a 3 while I get the last one lined up there. That's good stuff. Then you can come back, make sure they're all tight and secure. The hinges work, they're not in the wrong places, in the wrong way. That is a little bit bowed there, but it is in the right place and down. So I think that's okay. So it's got to be over the top of that. You can't go underneath. So again, that seems to be okay. Just all needs to be lined up and dusted on the inside there as well. So, yep, there we go. That's the 3rd and 4th screw sorted out into there. That is all nice and secure. I'm happy with how that's gone together. So then, yes, we need to forget about that for a minute. Move that over there. And we shall bring in from over behind me the rest of the car with the other door already on there. We need to fit this bit into there with, that will be QM screw. We've got that, and we've got the single screw. There it is. We've got a few in there, so we're obviously going to be using a couple of the other ones for other things. Just try and get one out for now. I've got two out for now. That'll do. So, just like on the other side, this one goes on there like that. That goes over the top of it like that. One peg one side and a screw on the other side. Yep, that will hold in place, and that holds the piston in place. Lets it wobble and move as you go up and down. That is that. Then we need to bring the door in, and that is attached from the inside. We've got to get the wire threaded through again, haven't we? The wire goes through there. Two brackets fit into, again, we've got holes and pins. I'm going to push that all the way down so that's out of the way so I can get to that there. We've got a pin to go in there, a screw to go in there from the other side, and the same at the front. Like that. Was that not? Ah, there you go. Nearly. For some reason, I feel like these are not locating where they should be. It is higher than I think it should be, so it's probably there. Let's try turning it over and seeing what I can see on the inside. Not very much is the real answer to that. We've got the two screw holes that we're aiming for there and there. And these are also QM screws. So that one that escaped a minute ago, I can grab that magnetically. There we go. Yeah, tiny screws. Feels like that is going into a thing. It is indeed, so that's okay. Let me get one more of those out. In this side. That does not feel like that's going into a thing. So I think that side is not lined up properly. There we go, that's got to go there, I think. No, once again, not lining up. Right, let me do this off camera, get that lined up. Then that is that. I've just got to get one more screw through the side to do that one. I'll do that when I come back. Right, that's done and dusted, all done. Works, hinge, all good. The last thing to do, as ever, on the other side, is to fit the sprung, not sprung, the hydraulic piston. That's the word that I was looking for. So that needs to be rotated a touch to there. Goes on to there, about there. And obviously a single screw goes through that to hold that in place. So let's try and get that through there. thought that was going to be so easy and sorted and figured that it would work, and it almost did. It would have been fine if it wasn't for those dang pesky kids. We'll get there. Let's try one more time. It's all to do with gravity and angles. So that needs to go where that little screw hole is. Try that again. Trouble is you need extra hands in different positions. Let's try rotating that way. Here we go. Now you can sort of see as well. I can sort of see, and that needs to go just a bit. Come on. Get that out a bit more. There we go. Right. So that then needs to line up where you can just about see it at the bottom of the screen there. Just about there. But either I can see what's going on or you can see what's going on. Not both at the same time. At the moment it's you, but then it was me, and then it was you again. That will do that. There we go. Nicely attached, and piston working as the door opens and closes. And closes indeed. Now, I had noticed one thing while I was manipulating this around. The wing mirrors fold up. If you lay it on that side, the wing mirror will fold up. So that's quite cool. Obviously, they've got a screw holder in place. That one's tighter than the other, but does still move if you need it to, or if you squash it too much. So I'm happy with that. That's come along quite nicely. So that is indeed another episode done. We've got the wires ready to go where they need to go. We now have 4 of them. Are they 1, 2, 3, and 4? 1, 2, 3, and one without a label on it, or the label's halfway up it or something. Is that one I've just done? I don't remember. But we'll know that that's 4 because it's the 4th one. Right, that's that. Next up, we are going to be fitting the top panel onto here to fill up that space and make it all silvery colour. And then we'll progress on to the front metal pieces. So it's all going to start coming together and look a little bit more like the DeLorean rather than this strange black bit. I don't dislike the black bit, but it's not DeLorean colours, is it? So I shall see you very soon for that. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.